All right, team. Welcome back to the film room. This week, the Bulls controlled most of the field, driving price higher and defending key levels. But as we approached the weekly highs, the game started to change. Liquidity was taken, momentum slowed, and the Bears found an opening. In this week's analysis, we're going to break down the key plays, the turning points, and what the market may be telling us heading into next week. Let's roll the tape. Monday gave us the first clue. Buyers defended 30,320, swept liquidity, and reclaimed support. The move wasn't about prediction, it was about patience. The traders who waited for confirmation got paid. Tuesday started with another test of 30,427. Buyers defended the level, reclaimed structure, and never looked back. As the session developed, momentum continued building, and the market pushed higher into premium prices. The lesson was simple. When support holds, let the trend do the work. Wednesday reminded us that not every day is a trading day. The market spent most of the session chopping between levels without providing the confirmation we look for. Rather than forcing a trade, the best decision was to stay patient and preserve capital. Thursday was the turning point of the week. Buyers attempted to defend 30,320, but this time the level failed to hold. What had been support became resistance, and sellers took control of the field. Friday wasn't about finding longs. It was about respecting momentum. Sellers controlled the entire session, breaking support after support and closing near the weekly lows. The market spent the week building confidence, then ended it by reminding us that momentum can change quickly. This week gave us exactly what we look for as traders. Monday showed us buyers defending key support. Tuesday rewarded patience as price respected those levels and continued higher. Wednesday reminded us that sometimes the best trade is no trade at all. Thursday shifted the tone as sellers stepped in and momentum started to fade. Then Friday delivered the knockout punch, sweeping through support and closing the week with aggressive selling pressure. What does that tell us going into next week? The market has moved from expansion into uncertainty. Buyers no longer have control until they can reclaim lost territory. Sellers finished the week holding the ball, but after a move this aggressive, we'll be watching closely to see if next week brings continuation or the beginning of a reversal. The mission doesn't change. Stay patient, stay disciplined. Let price come to your levels, and when the market reveals the play, execute.